Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 22 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 3190. Find minimum operations to make all elements divisible by 3, right? So in this problem you are given an integer array nums. In one operation, you can add or subtract 1 from any element of nums, right? And we have to return the minimum number of operations to make all the elements of nums divisible by 3, right? So here, if you see, let's suppose you have numbers like this in your nums array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So here, if I divide all these numbers with 3, right? So what is the remainder that I'm going to get? So 1 modulus with 3 is 1, 2 modulus with 3 is 2, 3 modulus with 3 is equal to 0, 4 modulus with 3 is equal to 1, 5 modulus with 3 is equal to 2, 6 modulus with 3 is equal to 0, 7 modulus with 3 is equal to what? 2, 1, right? So this is the remainder that I'm going to get, right? Now here we have to make all these number divisible by 3, right? So if in this 2, if I add 1, right? So what I'm going to get? I'm going to get 3 now, right? And 3 modulus with 3 is 0 only, right? 3 modulus with 3 is equal to 0 only, right? So when we divide 3 with 3, we get 0. Same way, in this 4, if I subtract 1, right? So what I will get? I will get 3 only, right? So 3 modulus with 3 again is equal to 0. In this 5, if I add 1, right? So I will get 6. So 6 modulus with 3 is equal to 0 only, right? Same way here, this 7, right? So in this 7, if I subtract 1, so what I will get? I will get 6 modulus with 3 is equal to 0, right? So we have to do the minimum number of operations, right? So here in 4, it is good now if I just subtract 1 and I get 3 instead of add 1 in one operation and again add 1 to get 6, which is again if I do the modulus with 3, I will get 0. But here we are doing two number of operations. Here I'm just doing one number operation. So we have to choose minimum, right? So here, see, same way here in this one, if I subtract 1 from it, I will get 0. And 0 modulus with 3 is also equal to 0, right? So if you notice here, these numbers are already divisible by 0, right? Completely, these numbers. So in these numbers, I'm not doing anything, right? But all other numbers which are not completely divisible by 3, right? I'm just doing one operation. It may be subtraction, it may be plus, it may be subtraction, it may be addition, it may be subtraction, right? Only one operation I'm doing every time, right? So this is what we need to do here. So 1 is not divisible by 3 completely. So in one operation, I will make it divisible by 3. Same way 2 is not divisible by 3. In one operation, I'm going to make it divisible by 3. Here I'm not going to do any operations, right? Same way 4 is not divisible by 3. So in one operation, I'm going to make it divisible by 3, right? So here I will do just minus 1 one time. Here I will do just plus 1. Here I will just do minus 1. That's it. So output is 3. So 3 operations I'm doing. That's it, right? Same way here, complete divisible by 3, complete divisible by 3, complete divisible by 3, output is 0. That's it. And these are the constants. So nums dot length is 1 to 50 and nums of I values from 1 to 50, right? So here in this problem we have to just check now if number is not divisible by 3 properly, completely. So just do count plus plus, that's it. And we are doing only one operation for all the numbers, right? So let's write the code. Very simple. Okay, so here create one variable int count and set it to 0, and then after that just iterate over all the element in your nums array one by one, and here inside this just write one if condition. If num modulus with 3 is not equal to 0, then that simply means you have to do count plus plus, right? And in the end you have to just simply return count. That's it. Okay, so here let's run the code and see. So all the test cases has been accepted, right? Now let's submit it. So time complexity for this problem is going to be of n, since we are iterating over all the elements only one time, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.